Tom here again with one of these one-take wonders. I'd show you this before I start putting color on it. Here's my mountain, more just kind of mountainous terrain. Little plateau. Something like that. Don't know yet what I'm doing at the North Percha Creek, so kind of just roughed in there for now. And then we kind of just taper off into the sunset. This is what I was doing. This is a 16:1 wash, kind of a tan color. And then I hit a brown on the top. And then here I've kind of done a 32:1 black wash. I'm going to do that. So next time you see this, it will be this.